This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your T900 Ultra smartwatch. First, make sure your T900 Ultra is fully charged, which usually takes about 2 hours for a complete power-up. Also, have your smartphone ready and ensure its Bluetooth is turned on. Keeping your devices close, within about 1 meter, will help establish a strong initial connection. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick setup process for your new wearable. Next, you'll need to install the dedicated companion application on your smartphone. You can usually find this app by searching for T900 Ultra or checking the QR code in your watch's manual. Once downloaded, open the app and follow the prompts to create a new account or sign in. Remember to grant all requested permissions, like location and notifications, so your watch can work perfectly with your phone. Now let's connect via Bluetooth. Inside the companion app, look for an option like Add Device or Pair Smartwatch. Your phone will then scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. When you see T900 Ultra appear, tap on it. You might receive a confirmation prompt on both your phone and the watch. Simply accept it on both to finalize the secure Bluetooth connection. This step usually takes less than 30 seconds. With your watch connected, you can now personalize its settings through the app. Adjust your preferred watch face, set up notification alerts, and configure health tracking features like step counting or heart rate monitoring. To maintain a stable connection, ensure the companion app is allowed to run in the background on your phone. If you encounter any issues, a quick restart of both your phone and your T900 Ultra often resolves most minor connection glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.